Okay, well, we're live and just looking at the shits. We're ready. And, yeah. This is gonna be an interesting stream. So, oh no's, hellos, welcome back to another videos. And today we'll be taking a look at, well, Sputnik's levels will actually be. I actually decided first off that we're going to, play some of his levels, and then we'll get into his main feature, what we're supposed to do. So buckle up because we're gonna just get into some weird but kind of interesting levels. So this is Sputnik. He's a Geometry Dash creator, moderator too, and he basically tries to break the game's mechanics by introducing scripts to his levels and building basically just masterpieces. So he's kind of like a masterpiece creator. He's like up there with like Funny Game and Serpunge. So he's like those people, but he's probably like leagues better than them. Like Serpunge is pretty good too. He's made his own Castlevania game. He's made his own Legend of Zelda game in this. This guy just goes above and beyond that, and you'll see when we play some of his levels. So hopefully it probably won't lag because I have a really good computer, but you know what, just in case, I am going to put on my turbo fans because his levels can get really, really dicey. So I'm gonna run my fans full speed. So yeah, and we'll just basically, we're gonna show you how these levels do and see what happens after this. So you'll see that they'll take a while to load, but that's usually, well, it didn't take that long actually. Well, this is actually a Geometry Dash level. I am not kidding. Oh, it's actually not lagging that bad. You see, on my other computer, it wouldn't even stream this. But this is actually streaming it really well. About 30 FPS though, but that's still better than nothing. Because it's not lagging at all, so I like that. I forgot how you do this part. Yeah, that part is so confusing. Oh, that level? Yes. I know. This is Geometry Dash, and we'll compare what this is. This level is actually kind of confusing, but you know what's his outros are always the best too. Oh, you can actually slide on those. I didn't know that. Okay, you go upside down. There we go. And then his intro. When I tried to do this stream on my other computer, it just would lag. It wouldn't do anything, but now I have a more powerful computer, so now I can actually show you guys what these levels look like, and they're on their own league of just amazing. Like, look at that intro. That looks like something out of YouTube, like video quality. But no, these are all objects. It's insane. So yeah, that's How by Sputnik, because how the hell he did that, I don't know. He has some other levels. We'll take a look at some other levels, I guess. Dim is a pretty cool one, but it is really hard to explain. But it reminds me of, you know, those old Doom games. It's just so weird though. To play it, it's really hard to explain. Okay, we'll just try to go for it though. Okay, so what we are doing is we are exploring the cave. and we're just trying to find, well, a cool quality PC would be great. Also, yeah, people who do these are nuts. I know. I've heard he actually had to script these in order for him to make a level, so he made a 3D maze game, which is insane on its own. Just making it 3D like this too. So far I'm not doing that bad. So far I'm actually doing pretty good. Oh wait, am I even going forward? Wait a minute, is my, I gotta check. Oh. No, wait. Flip pause button, increase more keys. Disable song, no. Oh, where is it? Oh, no song limit, that's good. Smooth fix and editor. Where's the... It's in options, isn't it? Custom song. I want to flip the... Because usually I use the up arrow key. I think I was right. Sorry, this level is just really hard to play. Okay, yeah, I was right. Ah, press both buttons to move forward. Okay, so like this. Ah, okay. I didn't read directions. Probably should read directions. Alright. So we're just exploring the maze, yes. Oh, ran into a bump. Okay. Actually, we want to go this way, right? There's something down here, right? Or do we want to? No, let's go down. Oh, I'm doing it wrong. Here we go. Alright. Get around this thing, I guess. Maybe. Whoa. Okay. This is trippy. Okay, so now I'm actually playing it. It's dead end. No, we're good. Ah, oh, dead end. Okay, that's fine. Here we go. I don't have a lot of time. Oh, you lose a life. Is there checkpoints? I don't think so. I didn't know you lose a life. Well, anyways, that that is dim. Oh, no, I wasn't doing that. Okay, let's go back to those levels. There's others we can check out. I think this is a... We'll check out one more. I think this is like a movie. Again, I could not play this on my old computer if I tried, but we can try on this one, so it should be good. The reason why these are not rated is because RobTop decided to not rate these because it would lag on computers and phones, so he just didn't rate it. But yeah, this is like a full-blown video thing that he made in Geometry Dash, so he couldn't get the aspect ratio right, but he did a pretty good job other than that. Oh my god, I sneezed. I ruined it for you guys. And yeah, guys, I am not going to show the rest because it is a really long level. So, but yeah, now we're about to get into the main reason why I wanted to stream this. I actually wanted to stream something else, um, but I said no, and I decided I wanted to stream this because I just saw this on YouTube, and I just like was in awe of like this creation. It was just amazing to think that someone can make a programming level in Geometry Dash. Um, this one I've heard does lag a little bit too, so this might take a while to load. But we'll go through what the main thing is to do here. And I do like programming stuff and skills and stuff, so this might be a little bit fun. We'll see. Crap, did it not download the song? Or it probably needs to be a little bit louder. It does take a while. Wow, that is a quiet. Let's just try the sandbox. Okay, so this is the sandbox. You can run code, and there's like different stuff you can do. So you can enter in a lot of stuff that will end the code. Okay, so to my understanding, this is based on a programming language called, you know what, hold on. I need to, actually I could have just done this. So we can actually hear the music, because the music is really quiet in this. Wow, it is really quiet. It's like okay, okay. Looks like the music is not working. That's odd. Okay. We'll just go with it. So there's like a bunch of stuff we can learn. There's challenges. There's coins we can get if we do the coin challenges. Sandbox is like free to do. And a tutorial where we're gonna learn how to code and crap. Yeah, it's complicated. Not gonna lie. Alright, we're just gonna turn this up and hopefully there's music. So, yeah, let's just go on to the tutorial. Welcome to Brainfusion, a programming language for your GMD system. So that's short term for Geometry Dash. Well, how the cool kids say geometry, just put GD, okay? So let's move on to what we're going to learn. So memory, your goal in this game is to create programs that fulfill certain tasks. Your programs have access to a memory containing 6 numbers, each box called a cell. The cell with a line under it is currently selected cell. This underline is called the cell selector. So this is like a cell programmer. It's going to be a lot of command. I'm going to have to remember these, by the way. A program is listed which will be done by one in order when the program is running. The different commands you can use. Add 1 to the cell number, and the current cells subtract 1 from the previous number. So plus and minus are going to be what we're going to be using mostly, I'm pretty sure. And think of this as kind of like a calculator. So, oh boy, it's going to get crazy. Move the cell selector 1 left to right. Move the cell selector to 1 cell to the left and 1 to the right. By the way, this background right here, kind of trippy, not gonna lie. And it's actually not lagging. That's actually how it's supposed to be. Outputs and the number. So the those bracket things are carets. Well, I don't call them. I don't know. Those greater than or less than. And what we're going to be using to move the cells around. So I'm pretty sure there's like a memory component to this, so I'm going to have to remember that. Outputs the number of the current cell and also corresponding. So I believe when we move the cell selector, that stops it, I believe. And the corresponding letter in the output. So this uses, oh my god. Okay, I'm also going to have to remember an alphabet numeric system thing. Okay, can I just focus? take one number as the input from the player and puts that number into current, what? Oh, takes one number as an input from the player. So the input I have currently selected, inputs that number in it. So let's say I put a 5 in one cell. I can move it with the brackets, left to right. And when I move it to the right, it's on the current cell. But then I could put a number when I move left to right. So the way the code is worded is it's reading left to right. So it'll move in a left to right fashion, so it'll read every single one, and when it hits that one, the currently selected cell, once the input is put in there, it puts that number into the selected cell you have before that, and then after that it will not put. Okay, so that's kind of like a stopping point. So this is an input, that's an output, the dot's an output. Okay, I I kind of understand. Brackets. The last two commands you use is and. All commands between A and A will be repeated over another selected cell number. This cannot be having a number larger than or equal to the cells and then decreasing it with until it reaches 0. If it is 0, okay. A lot of numbers. Let's just let it. Okay, there we go. And if it never reaches 0, the command will repeat forever. So we don't want to do that. So yeah. So we have to remember those brackets. So that will be resets any cell to 0. I think I'll remember that. Moves the cell selector to the cell with a 0. Okay, and it moves the cell number one cell to the right. Okay. So that one I probably have to write down, but I think I'll get it when I get it, you know. Examples. Okay, so they do give us examples. Program adds 3 to the first. Yeah, I get that. Okay, because there's 3 pluses, so that means 3. And also, yeah, so A, B, C. So the third letter in the alphabet, C. So remember that. This program sets the first 3 cells in the memory to 1. So plus, move it around, plus, move it around to the left, plus. Memory's at 1. Because what they just did is they added a value, moved it back, added or moved it forward, sorry. So when it's pointing to the right, it means move forward. So add the value, move it to the right of the cell, add a value, move it to the right of the cell, add a value. So that's what it's basically doing. Don't worry, guys. I kind of understand this. Don't worry. Don't worry. This program is to set the current cells to 3 and then subtract 1 again and again until the cell is 0. So I believe this will be in a memory thing, I'm pretty sure. So it will set the cell to 3 and then it will subtract 1 again. So we'll keep subtracting 1 until it reaches 0. Because when you put the brackets with the negative in between it, it's 0. Just remember that. Oh, yeah, and then, by the way, the time limit is reached. So you can't just read it all. Which is unfortunate, but that's just the way the game works sometimes. Okay, I think I'm missing something. Okay, so let's go back to the tutorial. I think what we'll need to remember is the examples do help. Okay, so then this program sets the first 3 cells and subtract 1 from the cells until the first cell is 0 and then the second cell is 6. Notice how this essentially multiplies 3 by it. So you're kind of programming a calculator, which can get complicated, not gonna lie. But I can see what it did here. So plus plus, so that keeps it like that. This program adds 3 to the first cell, yes. And then subtracts 1 from the first cell and adds 2 to the second cell because it moved it right. You have to put it in brackets when you're doing this until the first cell is 0. exactly. And then the second cell is 6 because, well, you're basically moving it to the right and then plussing it because you already added 3. Oh wait, no, that wouldn't work. Or yeah, that would, because then you move to the and then that's it because you didn't set the current value yet. So 1, 2, 3. Um. Oh no, and then you subtract it. Okay, then you moved it to the right. And then and then you go backward. Oh, okay, okay, because then it then reads it backwards. Okay, okay, that's actually something interesting. Okay, so you complete challenges, and that's how you beat the level. Is you have to get past challenge 4 or coin 1. Um, go for challenge 4. Coins are going to be a little bit tricky. You're going to have to spell coin. All right, and then start. All right, so let's start running our program. So it says run any program. All right, well, since I'm a lazy ass, I think I'm just going to do this and run it. I don't think we needed to do that. So there we go. First challenge, I basically just ran the program. Okay, so chicken cell, create and run a program that outputs to 0. So what you would do here is plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Oh, we have to do this though. Because yeah, Geometry Dash is limited to this. Run it. And there you go. And program finished. Press anywhere to continue. Oh, okay, so I don't know if it wants us to run a... So I think it wants us to have a bracket. Or we can end it. Does that work? No. But that's 10, right? Create and run a program that outputs 10. Okay, so what else would that be? I'm assuming this. Oh, we can't go back. How did I do it the first time then? Odd. Let's run this. Ah, okay, so now there's an error. Alright. Okay, then I'm pretty sure it's a dot. Because that means set it to the first cell? I don't know how... I'm just learning this, by the way. There we go, I got it. So dot means stop. Just, there you go. Create and run a program that outputs 40. Input command is not allowed. So what I just used there was kind of like an input command. I outputted J because, well, that's the 10th letter of the alphabet. It's kind of a boring stream, not gonna lie. I'll do some other interesting stuff. Okay, so now I gotta create a new program that outputs to 40. Well, we could continue with this. It had a dot. Whoa, the dot would finish it. So we want to probably add a condition here. So we want to probably add that. Okay, and then we put a negative, pretty sure. And then what we want to do is, so essentially I think we want to multiply. So 5, 10, 15, 20. So we want to do an output at least of 4. So we're going to have to move the memory around, which we could do if we set the cell to move that way. Yes. Oh ho ho, I'm getting into math. All right. And since we want the program to kind of run like this, we're going to need to add something. So we want to add the memory to 4, right? I believe that's how it works. Oh, 1 minute left. You don't give me any time. So I believe we want to do it to 4, yeah. And then we want to go back. So then we run it backwards. So that way, boom, 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 it does that. I believe that's it. And we just run it like this. I believe we put a dot here, but I'm not too sure. Let's just run the command and see how it goes. We'll just see what it does here. Okay. It's taking the memory, and we're trying. And yeah, it's working. Let's see. Oh, I was. Ah, I was short, and I think time is up, anyways. So. Oh, it's in a loop. Or no, time is up. Okay, so. Oh boy. Okay. I wonder why it's not playing this song. Because I don't think it's supposed to play a song, but it's not playing it. Yeah, let me see why that is. I'm gonna do some investigation here. Maybe Newgrounds is off. No, it's supposed to play that. Okay, I'm probably supposed to restart, but I kind of don't want to. Might as well, I guess. I bet if we restart, they'll fix everything, though. Oh. That's why it wanted to restart. So I ran into an error, unfortunately. So I'm gonna have to go back, play it again, do the thing. This happens to Aeon Air too. They gotta fix this. Oh, I think it saved my progress. Yes, it did. Okay, we're good. So it should play the music now, hopefully. There we go. Let's turn down the music a little bit. Let's just go back to the challenges. I was doing a pretty good job. Just run it. We can just run it. Okay, this is easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we add 8 dots. I have to do this. Run it. Boom, 10. There you go. Ah, okay. I see what I did there. So we can change this. Because I think my mistake here was, there's 10. We want 5, so. But I think my mistake was actually to, oh wait, hold on. Oh, let me go back. There's a lot of ways you can program this though, but let's do this instead. I think this is way better. Okay, move axis right there. Plus, and I think we want another plus because we want 40. You'll see what I'm doing here. And this will create an infinite loop. We don't want that. So I think we just move to the right again. And then we end it with that. I mean, I'm pretty sure. Alright, run it. Ah, I forgot a condition. I'm an idiot. I forgot a condition. We could do this. Maybe. I think this also creates an infinite loop though, but I'm not too sure. Alright, run it. Unfortunately, our program has crashed. Okay, so that does create an infinite loop. And you see how the game was lagging a little bit? Oh my gosh, okay. Let's try this maybe. Run it. just bypasses it. How did I do it before? You know what I did before? I don't know if this will work, but I'll try it. Ah, okay, there was some loop. It's probably because of this. I could set a constant and then make it the force. That could kind of work. What if because that's 10, right? We want 4. Let me try this. This seems weird, but it's a good idea. Maybe. Oh, it's doing something. I'm making something. Oh, okay. And then it ran into a problem. Well, what if we... Man, I wish I could go back. I know what geometry is, she can't really though. Okay, well, what else can we do here? We could look at tutorials and see how it's done, but I don't know. Oh, I am an idiot. We go to the right. We're gonna have to restart anyways, but... Yeah, we add... So 10. So we add 5. Oh, oops. Stop. No. Yes. Run it. See, it keeps giving us 4s. But then it's forced to stop. So we need to end it. We have to. Run it. Oh, we're getting something. Oh, time ran out. We gotta do this really quick. I'll give it a couple more tries and then we'll go in the sandbox and see what we can create. Okay, but it's an interesting game here. Just run it. This one's easy. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, whoops. Well, we could do that. But we need a dot, so no, let's not do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this doesn't get plus. I'm sneezing a lot. Run it. Yep, 10. And see, we're only given this amount of characters. But I think we can cheat here a little bit. Instead of adding brackets, let's just do this. Oh no, but we need a stopping point. Oh, but I could do this. Right? And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Give a condition. Because we're going to run this back in a loop. That... minus... minus... That doesn't even work, though. Let me see. I'm gonna try it. Program's pretty long, but let's see. Okay, go on to the next. Enter an input. Oh, input commands are not allowed. Yeah, infinite. Okay. Oh, it seems like I broke it. It's not perfect. Oh boy, man, this game, I tell you. Only press 3 times. I don't think this will get rated, but it's interesting. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See, like, I get that. I just don't get all the adding. But see, then it goes, oh, I see what we can do. If that is 10, it stops, right? Then it goes on. Go to the next cell. Because we want to move over stuff, right? It does need bracket. I wish I can go back. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so since we have 5 in there. Please tell me this works. We want to add 5, right? But 5 times. Okay, so that would be this way. We have to move it over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then we want to end it. But then, does this make it go back if I do this? I don't know. Maybe. I can try it. Because I'm thinking, okay, it stops right there, the memory, and then it goes on. Okay, we got 5. Oh, and then it stops. We need it to go back. Okay. So we want it to continue. If we do that, it will keep going back and forth, so we don't want to do that. Instead, we move it over. That should... We'll see how this works. Start it. 10. We got 10. 5. Let's see, input. We'll just put 0. So no input commands are allowed, so that means none of this. Which sucks. don't know what else we can do. Okay, 10, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. It will keep going. Oh no. Uh-oh. Ran out of memory. That is 10. Okay, then go this way. Add 5. Let's see, it keeps going in a group. So oh, does it want this? Maybe 10. That's what we want. 5, 4. Oh, and then 0. Okay, we can do that instead. Instead of 5, though. We can use add. But we need it to 0 out at some point. 10, okay. We need it to add up to 40. No, oh, no it isn't. It's almost there. This command will take a while. I don't know what it's doing. Oh, overloaded. Well, we ran out of time, so... Alright, well... I can stay on this level for hours to figure out how to make 40 with using calculator language, but I think we want to move on to the more interesting part, and I think it's the sandbox. So you can make whatever you want. This can help practice, I guess. So let's maybe make a, what do you call this? Permutation? I don't know what I'm trying to do here. Each shall add to the, no. Well, if we want a times, it's probably what we want to do, so. Permutation of 3, maybe? I hope this is right. Oh no, but we need to end it. Okay, yeah. Totally forgot. Like this. Oh, ignored it. Why? How long can this go? Oh, I'm an idiot. Such a... Okay, and then do this. Behavior. There we go. This should work. I was doing it backwards. Or maybe not. Maybe I was being an idiot. Anyways. Does this work? No, of course not. This program is interesting. It's like kind of calculator-ness. Ah, okay, so can't do that. Doesn't like that. Why does that put a negative in there? Will you like that? Oh, okay, it's making something. And then it force stopped. Oh, so I do 2 negatives. Because I think subtract would, yeah, subtract the value. I think we're adding incrementally, that's the reason. Why did it, huh? Oh, because when it's set at 0, it will keep going. Okay. So we had a shit ton of, maybe this will do something. And if we set it to just 0, it doesn't do anything. How would we end this code? Oh, you could just do end. Oh, that's an easier way to get back. I don't know, let's try this. Okay, and it ends at 0. So to get 40, I think it's like this. I don't know though. We can't use input commands. Plus, minus, oh, whoops. I can just get to the end. That's a good thing to have. Plus, minus, I think that's what it was, right? Oh. There you go. Oh, okay. And then but we do need a way to end it. So, or set it, right? Ugh, I keep missing it. There's 1 minute left. And then plus, minus, bracket. End it. There you go. Oh, why? Well, that's brain. Fuck. Basically, that's what it's supposed to mean, but. Brain food. Whatever. So, I mean, I guess we can keep doing. Levels by him, and so let's just do that, because like that's hella confusing. I couldn't even understand half the stuff they were saying. So he does other levels like this, which is amazing. I mean, just look at that. Oh. Whoops, I didn't tap fast enough. Oh, damn. He makes some cool levels. I just wish I wasn't as tired as I am so I can actually play these. But I don't know. Kind of just not feeling it. What is this? Oh, I don't understand it. Great. Oh, now I do. Wait, what? Okay. What? Oh, there we go. What? Weird levels. Okay. Oh, hello. Okay. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, okay. Oh, hello, Perjudes. I got completely mind blown by the code thing, so I'm doing these instead. I'm doing his levels, which are really cool. So yeah. Which I didn't even know were thing. Oh, if you stop, okay. You can't, if you hold it, you go the other, okay. And this one is really, like, I don't even know what this is, but it's cool, whatever it is. This one's kind of weird. I did it again. Oh, I still got him. It's like asteroids. Ugh. Very unique level, I will say that. I'm just bad at my brain skills. Really interesting levels. I went the other way and it still didn't do it. So, really, like, okay, like these are some weird levels. Oh, okay. I think we're done with that now. I'm just surprised that someone can actually make these. Oh, this reminds me of a level. I do like the atmosphere of this though. Again though, like all the visuals are like really like something. I don't know. Oh, this is a demon. I think I know what this is. It's like this like art style level, right? Yeah. Like modern. Yeah, I don't know if I can do this. Okay, I'm not bad at the game. I just haven't played it as much as I should. Deep Space, I've never heard of this. Oh, fortunately, he doesn't allow his own songs. Okay, I mean, whatever. Not only is he a good creator on Geometry Dash, he's a song creator. Should be able to beat this level. Pretty straightforward gameplay. Oh, what? It didn't let me go up. Why did it not let me go up? What a piece of shit. So he makes a lot of cool levels, I guess, so. But yeah, I think that's where I'm gonna end it off because I thought I was gonna be doing more, but fortunately, I'm gonna do a lot less. But yeah, that's why I get into just simple Geometry Dash levels like Easy Demons because it's just cooler, you know, like this level. It's just not like I like Sputniks, but these two abstract. How am I not getting that? Damn it. What? Oh, there you go. I could probably do that demon if I put my mind to it. But yeah, that's just gonna do it for tonight's stream. It's gonna be shorter than usual because I have a lot to do. So, yeah, anyways, guys, I hope you guys had a wonderful rest of the day or night. See you guys in the next stream. Well, actually be video. I'll upload a video tomorrow. So, yeah. Anyways, guys, just bye. In peace.